Next on Turnin Rust, the guys kindle an old flame with a 1955 Chevy pickup. Having high hopes to finding it a new home, they dress it up with a little Turnin Rust appeal to seal the deal. Back at the shop, wrenches are turning to get the 1954 Retro Metro alive and on the road again. At the request from the new Denmark owners, this former forgotten yard art would be transformed into a pin-up picture of patina perfection. Out on the prowl of small East Texas towns, they cross lines with a 1962 Chevy Stepside C10. Tracking down the owner, they're able to catch up on the history of this untouched, all-original workhorse. Will this purchase be a success, or are they just spinning their wheels? Following some questionable directions, past memories are sparked as Lance gets a lead on a 63 short bus that's just too old school cool to pass up. In the midst of Texas heat and aggravation, the guys fight to save the life of a 1959 BMW Isetta. At the point of pulling the plug, sparks ignite to revive the heartbeat in what hasn't ran in over 30 years. Feeling overly confident, Wesley challenges Lance and Wyatt to a little micro car competition. Each bringing out the big guns, they line up to see who walks away with small town bragging rights. Will he have what it takes to win the race? Or will this be a total rust buster? Giving the past a future while serving God and building rods, here at Turnin Rust.